This is a 2005 Chevy SSR. We are changing out the radio and a backup cam. The first thing we're going to do, I already have it out. The knob, this outer shell comes out. Do that. Then this silver part comes out. Take the silver trim out. Okay. And there are 7 mils. I'm going to remove all the 7 mils. The driver's side silver trim comes out as well. So there is a 7 mil there as well. This airbag cover, you're gonna have to bend it inward like that because it's kind of overlapping this outer shell here. So you're gonna basically pop this out, bend it inward so you can clear. Same thing over here. So again, you see this lip here, you're gonna bend it inward. So you're gonna lower the steering wheel down. So you're gonna clear this side out like this. Then I'm gonna pull this out. So this one, it kind of overlaps. The right way to do it is this bottom dash out. We're not doing that. You just lift it up, pop it out. Okay, so this is what was overlapping, this lip here. So you're gonna have to bend it and pull inward like this to release this airbag. And after that, you're gonna remove 7 mils. Disconnect all these harnesses. We are using this LCGM 24 module. This is a dash kit for the radio and an antenna adapter. We're putting a also lit wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto. It's matching the colors to the wires. We are also doing a reverse scan. I'm just going to grab the wire from the reverse light next to the license plate. Hi. Bye. Why does it say both? Why did he say both? Why did it reset? No phone connection?
Yes.